A healthy immune system works like body armor, protecting us from the threats that constantly bombard us. When we feel well, it's easy to forget this incredible natural defense system is at work. We may not pay much attention until something changes and we feel like we need the extra support. Threats move in and out of the body in various ways, including in the food we eat, in the air we breathe, even in the things we touch. Thanks to the immune system, your body is prepared to protect you against these environmental threats. With the doTERRA Protect Kit, you can have the support when you need it most. The Protect Kit helps you stay strong, no matter the season. Purify Blend is a combination of lemon, lime, citronella, cilantro, tea tree, and Siberian fir essential oils, which work together to protect against environmental threats. This blend is perfect for creating a natural and effective household cleaner. In addition to its cleansing properties, it also leaves behind a clean, fresh aroma. The doTERRA On Guard Sanitizing Mist includes naturally derived ethyl alcohol, which kills 99.9% of germs to effectively cleanse hands and prevent the spread of bacteria. When ingested, doTERRA On Guard Essential Oil Blend goes into action to support your body's natural antioxidant defenses, while also supporting a healthy immune system. In southern Italy, bergamot essential oil has been used for hundreds of years for its soothing aroma and ability to rejuvenate the complexion. Diffusing tea tree essential oil benefits the air in your home because it purifies and freshens as it disperses. Tea tree possesses over 92 different chemical compounds. The ways to use it are almost endless.